One of the clearest old commerce versus new commerce stories today is QVC's move toward Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. AP reports that parent company QVC Group, which also owns HSN, is preparing to file after reaching a restructuring agreement with creditors. That turns a famous retail brand into a symbol of how fast shopping habits have changed. AP says long-running TV shopping networks have struggled as consumers moved away from scheduled cable viewing and toward live-stream commerce, social media creators, and low-cost digital marketplaces. When shoppers can buy from an influencer in real time or jump to a Temu-style bargain feed instantly, QVC's older format looks a lot slower and less essential. AP reports QVC Group sales in 2024 were down almost 30% from their 2020 peak of more than $14 billion. The company's shares, which once traded above $900 a decade ago, were below $3 earlier this week. Those are collapse-level numbers, not just a rough quarter. A marketing expert quoted by AP said QVC's traditional audience was heavily built around older repeat buyers, especially women who returned often. But that group has aged and shrunk while younger shoppers now discover products through TikTok Shop, Instagram, YouTube, and fast-moving marketplaces where switching costs are almost zero. This topic works because almost everyone recognizes QVC, even if they have not watched it in years. So when a brand that familiar ends up preparing for bankruptcy, it becomes an easy story about how legacy retail, cable distribution, and old trust-based shopping systems are being displaced by algorithmic feeds and influencer-driven buying. QVC says it wants to emerge from bankruptcy before summer ends, so this is not automatically a death sentence. But the real question is whether a company built for television urgency can survive in a world ruled by infinite scrolling, cheap imports, and creator-led commerce. That is what makes this story so clean and clickable.